Here's how to remove any lock screen permanently, with or without data loss. When you know the password. Open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode, then tap Turn off passcode. Confirm to disable all screen locks immediately. This method requires your original password and keeps all data safe. Solutions for forgotten passcodes. Official Apple Reset. Connect to a computer, enter recovery mode. Then select Restore in iTunes. Warning, this deletes everything. Password Reset Trick, iOS 17 Plus only if you changed your passcode recently. Enter the wrong password 5 times. Tap Forgot Passcode. Then use your previous passcode to reset. Note, only works within 72 hours of password change. When other methods fail, MagFone iPhone Unlocker handles complex cases. Select Unlock iOS Screen and erase passcodes. Works in 90 seconds for iPhones, 4 to 16 Pro Max, all iPads, and iOS versions, 7 to 18.